Ọhaneze Igbo ekenekwa m unu Igbo ndị Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, asị m ka anyị batakwara n'ụbọchị nke taata maka na ozi n'elu Jpac na nyanwụ nwoke dibịa ka anyị jikọrọ wee bịa n'ụbọchị nke taa na Jpac reply ya na yes ekwuru m ya Jpac reply ya na ọgwago nyanwụ dibịa sị ya na anyị mana ị na-agwara ndị kidnappers ọgụ mana don nwere na aka ya akpalụ gị very soon ya apịawa gị azụ ohe Jpac kwuru mana anyị achọghị ikwu much mana ọ bụ na o si dị bụ na amago n'ugbo na biko nụ solonu m na-enekene ihe Jpac gwara nwoke nyanwụ dibịa ka o si eteretin ya ka Jego chekwa enye ndị mmadụ nọmba ka a na-aga ya aha mana ọ bụ na o si na anyị egwu igo ka igwe ilo n'ebe a na anyị si n'ozi a na anyị afụ njedebe ya ebe ọ kwesịrị onye gba ọsọ nne ya na-enekene m vidiyo ka unu fụ.
O deberela yes dịka a na-aba ntị ka na-aba ji o deberego JC na amara m na ibe efu amara na ibe efu so you went and be threatening that girl. You know, threatening the girl, the girl where be under duress. Now, no worry. Oh, my God, go. Now, Jpac here, the GJ. This thing will be the he get regret ever coming live video to talk rubbish against me. He get regret ever coming live video to talk rubbish because you're a fool. He played all the voice note. You forgot to play this one. Annoya. In the play voice note. Muakita catch cruise. So Muakita need to grow your page. Ede pure. Why are you sending my number to Ndi Kidnappers? Why are you sending my number to Ndi bad boys? Nah, chum no. If not, open the good. But I bet you, JCN, open maybe Hazamu Kuna Abuja, man or more. I will treat your fuck up. Maybe Hazamu Kuna Abuja, you will stop doing native doctor in your life. Now, when you remember who is called Jpac, you remember the day you posted wrong nonsense on Facebook, no more chat. Today will be the day you stop doing native doctor with your Indian powers. If they claim you with the India power, you are a fool. I repeat, JCN, you are a bastard, you are a fool. If they claim him with the Indian powers, but I have been waiting for you ever since I exposed you from your evil doing. EJ were here, Tino Sisi, turn. People cast your work. If there's a good allegation, none nature couldn't demand over Dibio, he made the same magic. Can we cast yage? You are a fool. Well, when I begin because more Adigon can not, they are not even sent. Whatever I want to send, whatever I want to comment, you comment is your data, it's not my business. EJJ, your in-law, bossy your daddy, because now the girl, EJ go just threaten the girl, or the girl, threaten the girl, not under duress. Do you think I don't know everything? The girl, the girl no under duress. What do you know? Just you know what if fame in your life. I better street when they fame. You were a phone and you see how I have talk. Everything was a plan work, everything was deal, everything was there. You just did it under 1 minute, under 1 hour ago, this and that. You're a bastard. Now ever. Idiot. You're not Isiagu. Oh, you're not actually comment anything. You should go ahead and comment. You are commenting with your data, not my data.
Don't worry.
You are commenting with your data. He pledged others. Wait.
I'm so excited this night. I cannot believe this. I can't wait to celebrate my friends. They are coming around maybe this weekend. We're going to have fun. I wish you can come over. It will be mad fun. But I don't want to see you, so maybe I'll just do it with them, celebrate with them whenever they come around. I can't just wait. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I love you.
I love you too, baby. I heard what you said. But you know one thing, it's not necessary for me coming over there. Because I don't want to be exposed, you understand? You know I'm a married man, and I have a wife, I have a children. So this secret is just between me and you. So let's keep it secret. whatever you want to do, I will support you. I will say, "Conquer some. I'm a no dey fear."
Bachere. And I am Uncle.
It's nothing, just relax. I'm going to move on. I'm kind of about to see a good doctor, just see one money, one day more. I will see everyone now. I'm already made. I won't go away. I won't go away. So relax. Kaka will be the Genesis.
I'm coming. Oh, welcome.
Oh my God, I can't believe this, Jesus. You did this for me just like that, without stressing me, without even asking me.
Concerning Cape Boutique, yeah. Please, in Cape Boutique, yeah, I stand there June or July. Managua and say, there's a lot of projects and I can. So now I try and try and finish it here. So I may go to Kuna, okay.
JCN, idiot. JCN. Honorable caster. JCN, honorable their cast, yeah. The girl caster, the honorable. Iwegazi Bulgaria honored. Bulgaria. JCN, Mapia Wagazu. Mapia Wagazu. You might be Jpac. If you are still talking about Jpac and you are still remaining na Jpac page, you might hit you again because now you might have where you belong. JCN Mapia Wagazu. So Muakina, it's a threat not again. Okay, why are you sending my number to Ndi Kidnappers? It's a mama in a warranted kidnappers or it's a mama in a warranted kidnappers or JCN. With Anambra State will not contain you. I swear. Anambra State will not contain you. In a warranted kidnapper or don't worry. May reveal your case very soon. More Jpac cruise, each may grow page. Because Nambia Piawarazu about it is where it will also sitting about or not on bottle upside up and down. If you low, no more again, I call it. There they shot, idiot. In a same why, okay, one day why do we forward the same message? Why do all the message to every forwarded message? In a case, which I don't, I'm not gonna be who in-law, be your daddy, my sweet daddy. Be your in-law. My sweet daddy, Abugo, your in-law. Also, very soon. You're not coming to Lagos. You say I'm very stressful. I said I will come to Lagos soon. I said, wow, can't wait to have you around. How about the duplex at Lekki? Did you tell me this? You were forward. The girl took your girlfriend phone. Where your girlfriend phone? Where they forward your shot in a phone Kenyawa? Drop what or leak here, and she was crying. And even I know I would have recorded that girl voice when she was shouting, "Why age you post here?" I say sorry, maybe when you come around we have a good time. I say really, you say okay, oh, still up for a grab. He just play, only the voice. Can go say the shot again like the idiot. It's all my sweet daddy. Oh, I'll say at what cost? In a good one in moto. Idiot. My one day why I there you want to cover up because again I won't give you the neighbor war one name. Yesterday the video drop. Again I won't give you the war. When you know what a war, it's about edging fat. You know I come from all even or sorry from our ruku. You know when you know about war. If you ever said on Facebook, you feel look, you clear the mess in your family with you and your wife. Or more than Jpac, you will clear your mess, idiot. I say, babe, you have to stick to one thing. And I'm going to chat here. Check the date, check the time. Mbuna chat, idiot. I say, opening boutique for you is not a problem. but relax first. I have too many projects at hand. Ego. So I need to go so illiterate on such a way that na gin a plan to here agasa. It just a years way. Come to voice note. Even aware that I am married. I'm married. I don't want to take second wife. Okay, you know too well. I'm building 2 mansions and 1 place at a go. Or say even at that. Or say you are my babe, but one after the other. Alusiego my. Or say one Alusiego my one and only. He say yes baby. Amalisham. It's not a bad idea. And I'm bunna chat idiot. And I'm bunna chat number 4 for more than 3 months ago. Maybe Lagos. If Lagos for more than 3 months ago, no chat recha better than the racha rally secha in a Marusiego in a Indian Lord. Hanja on Omenala Igbo, JC and Apota. Useless JC and Apota, and the name Omenala Igbo. Hanja Bende, maybe Omenala Igbo. Ne JC and never idiot JC never. I want you to bring your contact because I will deal with you. He will run from Anambra State, idiot. Never. It's not a bad idea if we get married. Never. The girl I say is not a anumpam. Or the man or ya say it's not a bad idea if we get married though. You go to fans again, car. You know go read this one for your fans. No, it rubbish. I say I love you so much. I say I love you too. Ha ha ha. Please, babe, don't go there. Don't go, idiot. I love my wife. If I was to say, I love my wife so much, I can't do that to her, even if you got pregnant for me. I love you with all my heart, but I can't go for second wife. Or say, the girl reply, yes, so you don't love me? Or say, I love you, babe. Or say, I don't think you do. Or say, stop saying that. It's sure you go to your fans this one because Nanka, you hook idiot. This one go hook you for neck. You just deceive your gullible ones. It just a go. It's sure you go the mother. I know him around. Just here, if you meet me one-on-one, I will beat you as a man. If you meet me one-on-one, I will beat you as a man. Just here, limiting the contact for the rest of your life. You will never smell dibia. You may what is it? You might again. Then I dibia. And I want you to call anybody want to call on this earth. Check 3 days open idiot. In a one kidnapper. Now don't worry. I will use you as state example so that others will learn a lesson. Idiot. Never. Also, I love you with all my heart, but I can't go for second wife. Also, so you don't love me. Also, I love you, babe. But they go your fast in car. You're not going to have a here. Also, stop saying that. I love you from the bottom of my heart. If I don't, I wouldn't have bought you car. Build bungalow in your village. Buy iPhone for you. iPhone for you. Think well, baby. Or delete here in car. Omega delete here. The one another one. Okay, think well. Why are you not responding? Check the date, idiot. The boy, how can they get school now? Because how many get school you would have used chalk or marker to block my sweet daddy. Approximate that teen love. How many get school? You get a teen. You get Jesus on the block or that name, my sweet daddy, idiot. Well, say, are you annoyed of me? Or say what? Are you? Oh, in a grow one in the chat. Man, it's a go have chat. Get in one in a Lagos. I pity the people that are working for you. It's new. Jesse and you Jesse and you I've been begging you with all my heart. Begging you, Jesse and please is new. In a room, them are the local Jesse and is not because of Aqua. He now apart from Aqua, Jesse and Kuogo. Jesse and Kuogo, or the government, Jesse and authority. I want to use you as an example so that others see. Actually, dog van Piogo. How many people I will call idiot in a 5 million. You know, they 5 million. Or say, okay, so you are now Gambia. So I think, well, why are you not responding? What What's here to think about? Jesse and say, are you annoyed with me? I said, so you are now counting the things you did for me, or what? The girl I reply, I say, not at all. Just to tell you how much I love you. Easy. To tell why how much. Why can't you go as other native doctors? Nan why boy to general no. He just no use what the girl. Don't worry. You have met to the end point of violence, idiot. I hope so. Our relationship is just 2 years now. And all this in a forwarded message. JCN, Obruna, no abu your in-law, true. Obruna, no abu your in-law, true. You're supposed to hear forwarded messages because I am seeing your chat and your video, your useless video in the direct typewriting, direct type. It shouldn't have been forwarded message to your in-law phone. So you claim that no your in-law, no in-law be here forward the rest. No in-law, get an in-law roll the game, roll the aboroka. He sinner. Yes, he could say forward the message I forward. Whatever the angel like you Buddha. Until people know me and they realize the kind of person I am. You will only burn your data to comment nonsense. It's not my business. I swear with my life. It's not my business. You will only burn your data and your time to watch me. You cannot come close me. 1. You cannot beat me. 2. When he gave me womb. So you only comment and talk rubbish because you guys are fools, gullible ones. Native use brain, idiots. JCN. JCN, don't worry. Government here about very soon. And people that you are using for do scam. You will say, I hope so. JCN say, I hope our relationship is just up to 2 years now. So you are finalized about the house, but wait. So you don't like that one they showed you. Anompam. I don't want here. Then one day why they send the number. When I say I'm afraid, don't put this message. Snapping the house, he's going to do this evidence more and more. An illiterate story copy from a wise man. Illiterate story copy from a wise man. Obia or copy my fan, copy my fair, copy my generation, copy me copy from answer from A to Z, copy A, B, C, D. Or me Amazon and care about the correct answer. JCN went and copied. Go. I said, babe, I'm missing you seriously. I said, wow, I miss you more. I'm fine. What is happening in Lagos? I said, I'm work. Hope it's not stressing you. This girl is begging you. Come and marry her, Ejuraju. Come and marry her, Ejuraju. I said, I'm just lousy as usual. Very stressful. I'll come to Lagos very soon. Kinika. Idiot. Can God of our land, can they listen to you? In the use magician in the India. Then JCN Nasawan Isi near go to there on 250 million. He wants to 10 million accounts. We're on over 2 years. In Nasawan Isi, he were on idiot. He went to 10 million account. We're on over 2 years. Oh, but your in-law, they save a number of my sweet daddy. And the dude on the market gets a use phone. Because somebody gets a use phone. He got a marker. Clean, no? That place there my sweet daddy. Yeah? In the neighbor court. Okay, they send me your in-law. There's I don't want it to be exposed. I don't want to be exposed. You know, that man is an occultic man. So you are truly an occultic man. Idiot. So you are truly an occultic man. Oh, that as a Jpac is now only 5 million. Until you show me, until you play the voice note where Jpac said that I collected 5 million. Or I want to collect 5 million. You must show that girl. Now the picture of Okoko, idiot. Now better man on a phone. that na why ezi ikuku ji wee post o picture na-ebe akwa kedu ihe ezi ikuku ji wee post o video na anyị amata na onye nwa post wee anụ ọhịa na enwe na agbara flight nwe na ara because na inwe ọgwụ ọ bụrụ iwere ọgwụ ị gara eji ka ya mata ọ dị nwa agaghị eji ka ya mata wee jide gị JCN inwe ha ọgwụ ọ bụrụ i nwere ọgwụ this girl wouldn't have used kayamata to hold you. This girl wouldn't have used kayamata to hold you. Ị na-ara ọhụ ịra wuru onwe gị oturu gbọwuo mmụọ na-emere gị ihe ị na-eji ndị apawa arụ ọrụ n'ebe a ị na-eji kayamata na obere nwa ejiri kayamata akọmandị agha na mmụọ na ijabode JCN na-agba ego akọmandị agha n'ebe a na obere nwa na-anwụrụ idiot. The main thing bụ na adị m atọpụrụ ndị Igbo baya ọnụ because na ndị Igbo baya bụ ihe njiri like ndị Igbo bụ ndị Igbo ya bịa gbaa gị wọọ pịatọ ọgụ na the first time mgbe eziokwu ya pụta atọnụ a ga-eso onye agha a na-asịrị ride on gwaba na JCN ride on JCN gwaba na ride on dibia until unu afụ na JCN nọ ya na-agwọrọ ndị niile bụ kidnapper ọgwụ. JCN is behind. I swear to God, okay for this thing. JCN, if you don't know how email na Facebook all day, JCN may book gị. But I ga na shrine, okay? Abịa na shrine JCN, ọ bụ na afụ ofu onye iji afa ya kudo na ntu. Ijeze azeze. Ị na-arụ native doctor. JCN, ama m ebe nọ na territory. Ị na-send the boys, a na-akpọ na phone. Why are you sending people to call me? If you're a man enough, just here and call me one-on-one. But confront to you cannot do that. Never, look at them. And I send the message, threatening message, never. Never. Never is here. Never. Can save a number can send the even send the way. Never. Number yabu. I'm 08090. Okay, 09013916814. Sorry, 09139168417. Name the boys here, and then I real. Also, Jpac, very soon we go light like criminal. Stay away from our daddy, JCN. Stay away from our daddy, JCN. Every wicked man is ignorant as to what he ought to do and from what to abstain, and is because of errors such as this that sono Igbo now. Sono Igbo now. Also, okay, we will come for you very soon. We go lie to you like a criminal. Stay away from our daddy. We never. And don't you with a number? Don't worry. Have ever on your ABJ. Just here, if your hands are clean, more than 10 people wouldn't have been calling me this morning. Never. Ndi ne protect. Never. Need the number ever. I won't put that number. These are one of the boys Jesse and Ozzy. Onya ya say obo ihe omo ma chat him na phone. Screenshot it. As obo ihe omo ma chat Jpac. There. These are one of the boys Jesse and Ozzy. I dey go get insecurity. Na Anambra State Jesse and empower criminals. Ka insecurity na the on. Never. Jesse and empower criminals. Okay, if you a video ta feel not Jpac, you will regret ever doing this video. Go and call all your fans. Go and call Ndema, your fellow native doctor. Go and call your friends, your enakakus, your circles. How you saying he made a mistake of your life to ever come online to talk rubbish against me? Yeah, but then one of the boys, in a threat to the let me just screenshot it. They threaten him. Oh yeah, get that one. Although I have Igbo much. Nay, I will not block you. I won't block you. Let him continue ranting, idiot. Ndi Igbo. Oh, Ndi Igbo in Azondo. Ndi Igbo in the Kumaka. I say, what about the 5 million? Play the voice note. All your voice notes I have played. All your voice notes. I've played all of them. If not that I have blocked and reported some of the messages. Hunter neighbor. Useless fools. Then I go shout to Jpac. JCN not in trouble. Jpac will be your last bus stop. Jpac will be your last bus stop. Idiot. The way and go say that Jpac, how far? What's up? What's the update? And say you are a fool. Never. Oh God. Well, I want to actually believe what an idiot says. If you believe what JCN says, you are an idiot. Period. I don't have anything to deal with you. JCN, a native doctor, a scammer, and a brain behind kidnappers. JCN now one day, kidnap agwu. Believe you are one of them. Never. By their comments, you shall know that the men Hakurucha, Mecharo, Mechampo, Kuchogu, they can never near Jpac. They can never near Jpac. Don't worry. I want to get me a Kumaka now. Never. By their comments, you will never know how far. Actually, I want JCN. Let him come on live now. Are you afraid to come on live? Are you afraid to come on live? Idiots. Are you afraid to come on live? Then I roar or kidnapping or idiots. How can they roar? I know him now. They will never use their real face to comment. They can never use their real face, never. Never. And I'm top room idiot. When the time will reach, only a sometimes around and say, hey, JCN, gee, I'm not doing anything. More I reveal anything. I will never. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Don't worry, I'm a bit for nothing. I'm a fool. I'm an idiot. I'm a nyonyohi. I'm this. I'm that. I'm amazing. I will insult myself to the core. I'm monka. Don't worry. Mono ne was yobu. Nda ane advice for JCN. Jugaria Hage again. I tell me about half and name people implicate. Nda high for name advice. Be your closest friend. Be your man's friend. Your one-on-one, your tight friend. Say what I can do you. JCN, Juonda be your man's friend. Your close tight friend. Ndi if you know how I assume. Juoha. I will deal with you, Jesse and you. Here, I'm going to be a wa. Now, say, open name, ni Yahano Katatam power Jpac. He has open name, in a hair 5 million, and a 5 million. Could be over the Kuracho Mema. Ndina back it up. Jesse and I, Ebru today. Ndina, you feel your backbone. Because nobody will ever come out to a native doctor. What are you coming to defend? Are you coming to defend JCN na Borogo Ego? Are you coming to defend na JCN na Borogo Kite? Are you coming to defend na JCN? Idiot, useless, habanicho, no one na Borogo Ije Made. Are you coming to what are you coming to defend? JCN, if you are a man, I challenge you today. JCN, Ibre a man of your word. Ibre a man with your million. Ibre a man, JCN. I want you, me and you. Can I visit here? Authority. Eba na ndị otu I don't know what I will call them. I just see ebe na comment. Ụbọchị ọbụla JCN pick call bomb sim Jpac na akpọ m n'Ọka. Mbịa zara ọnụ m na onwe ndị na-akpọ m n'Ọka. Jpac a na-akpọ m na Abuja. Jpac a na-akpọ m ebe dị etu a na m boro ya ebubo ụgha na m boro ya allegation na m boro gị nke a. Ịmara etu onye nwere ego si eme na onye nwere ego adịghị eme mkpọtụ. Onye nwere ego adịghị eme mkpọtụ because ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ego true ife ị ga-eme bụ ịkwesịghị ịbịata live video no mma nọ ntụ phone ma ring ya hello are you Jpac say yes okay your attention is needed at State Security Service Ọka your attention is needed at CID Ọka your attention is needed at this place at Abuja this and that and say okay sir what date I say Monday morning and say no problem I will be there Abembia all if you man because you put here man you be a coward. And after this video now 2 days, 3 days, man, you be a coward, JCN. You're a coward. And in the a coward, go where you will make you vex. And they call you a coward, make you vex. Call anybody where one call. For this country, we in Nigeria. You will call anybody where one call. They wait for you. JCN, you're a coward. Call anybody where one call. All these people they support you now. Now say right on, shameless man, this and that. Haga say, nah, my hand no day. And they wait for you because somebody be a man they cut half again. Can't offer he remember he be tozubo. Ebia, he may cook with brunya. Enu, or just see out the name. All people see me. All people see me. He brunya or magim wow. Maonya hidden a threat no. And a phone way. Ununchani in ha ununi machran go. Caterpillar. I caterpillar we bury your shrine. Caterpillar a day your shrine. Daily, bury your shrine. JCN will never be in existence as a native doctor. The day you will pick up a phone, if you're a man, because I know you're not a man, you're a coward, you're afraid of me. All that is why you could show each other about a crop of Mafa, a bar say, a bafa, Sinabun count Ethiopia. The day you pick up, I swear with my God of heaven, just here, any day you pick phone, bomb the phone, say Nana that will be the day of your life. Idiot. Nonsense.
Ya ọhaneze ndị Igbo ekene m unu na-enenichago nya vidio biko na ọnụ mma ka o si adị na-agbụ ya akụ na sọskraịbụ ọ ịnenecha ọ dị gị mma ishi ya ịnenechakwa anụ ya fekwa n'ọnwa oke ihe ịghọta egbu notifikeshọn ị na-enweta notifikeshọn mgbe ọbụla anyị tiri vidio ofe ịlaiki ya ịlaikecha ịdrọpụ ya kọmentị na the comment section ka anyị malụkwanụ ka ihe si aga mala ebumnobi gị ya bụ ihe na-akpọtụ na kemgbe abalị nnyaa na efere mba ụwa Igbo mụrụ nze mmụọ ọzọ ka anyị nwere na ọ ya adịnụ mgbe ọzọ